Hello. You're on video. Just FYI. Say hi, Mary.
Hi.
We are in
The MixTape.
MixTape, which is weird.
We're on a trip.
So there was like trash cans down here. I don't know what's.
It's my natural habitat. Oh, so sad. Right. It's a slightly sound experience. If you sit down, you can take this.
What's in there? What the? Okay.
Guess who's getting a sticker today?
What? All right. Good job.
I'm getting a sticker today. I
What the?
Everything. There's chicken nuggets and ketchup in there. Hey, where'd Adrian go?
Trash pandas.
Even the rats have a club.
Oh, hey, did you find it? That's the rat. That was the rats having a club. Uh-oh. Somebody got their phone. Yeah, that was the rats. I found the rats dancing, Deidre.
Yay!
Or London did. Right down there. Down there on the ground.
Oh my gosh.
This is that not.
That was smart.
That was pretty
Yeah.
cryptic, wasn't it?
A little bit. A little bit.
Okay, I saw one at the lobby.
Well, I kind of wanted to get you in a cool spot where I lined you up and maybe like imagine if you look down this way and I lined you all up to where you can. I like this place right here. This candy. It is cool. I would get something if I line you. I need to be able to line you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. And some of that stuff kind of loses its lure when it's not in motion. But
I'm just videoing this whole thing.
Right on. Because that's what you need to do in order to tell how cool it is.
I mean, I can't describe. I can say it's weird, but I don't think weird is enough.